The Satpura range is situated between two west-flowing rivers. They are Narmada and Tapi. Which one the following is a correct sequence of rivers in terms of their total basin area in the descending order? Brahmaputra, Indus, Ganga, Godavari. The Buckingham Canal runs through Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The largest irrigation canal in India. Indira Gandhi Canal. The river Sangpu flows through before entering India. Tibet. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Ukai Project, Gujarat. The Buckingham Canal is an inland waterway in India. The Tibetan river Sangpu enters India through the Strait of Blank. Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following rivers divides the Deccan tableland from Central Highland in northern India? Narmada. Which one of the following pairs of seaports and straits is not correctly matched? Kakinada, Maharashtra. Which of the following river is known as India's River of Sorrow? Kosi. The river which rises in the Kumarpet Hill in Chota Nagpur plateau of Bihar and called the River of Sorrow is Damodar. Which of the following gives the correct descending order by length of the rivers in India? Ganga, Godavari, Yamuna, Krishna. From north towards south, which one of the following is the correct sequence of the given rivers in India? Zaskar, Shyok, Sutlej, Spiti. Consider the following pairs tributary main river: A. Chambal Narmada, B. Son Yamuna, C. Manas Brahmaputra. Which of the following pairs given above is correctly matched? sea only.